Howdy folks. You guys ever see one of those Facebook posts where they're like everybody's sharing this awesome looking recipe and then you go ahead and share it, but then you never actually cook it? Not today, hombre. Today we're gonna cook it. I saw this post and it was I think it was called Poor Man's Burnt Ends, and it's I'll share the link down below if I can find it. But that's what we're gonna cook today, so I'm just gonna bring you along and see how it turns out. Alright, first things first, we got to get our charcoal lit up. Yeah, I'm using briquettes, and so is everybody else in America. Alright, using the side burner to get that started. As soon as it's well lit, I'll go ahead and dump it in my firebox. Using my char griller Texas Trio today, and so far I've liked this. I've only got to cook on it maybe 5 times, but it's a pretty good unit. Alright, while we got the charcoal heating up, I'm going to go ahead and season up my chuck roast. That's what the recipe said to use, so that's what I went and got. I'm going to put some salt, pepper, and garlic on it. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. How much is too much? I don't know. Alright, and the garlic. Whoa, yeah. I don't think you can have too much, but I'm not sure. Let's find out. Alright, she's seasoned up and just waiting for the coals to get ready. Alright, so I got the briquettes are all heated up and ready to be dumped into the smoker. Got to be careful I don't dump any on my deck. Alright, we're going to let those get up to temperature, and then today we're using apple wood. I got that soaking in a pan right over here. And that's what we're going to be using to smoke this chuck roast. Alright, let's go check on these coals and see if they're about ready. Yeah, looking pretty good. It's up to temperature, so go ahead and close it down and throw on the wood and then put the meat on. Alright, so I got the wood here. I'll throw some of that on. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, and I'll just keep adding wood all day until it's done. I'll close this down now. There we go. Alright, here it is. 3.6 pounds of chuck roast going on the smoker. I'll wait a couple hours and then I'll put my temperature gauge in there and then bring it up to 165 degrees like the recipe says, and then we're going to wrap it up in some butcher paper. Don't know how well it's showing up, but got some nice smoke coming out. She's a cooking. Alright, we're back. It's been about 3 hours, and as you can see, we're up to 150 degrees, so it's almost there. It's almost ready to be wrapped. We'll take a peek at it. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, finally got up to temperature, so now I'm ready to start wrapping it. I'm going to try and do this one-handed while holding the camera, so, oh, wrong tongs. Here we go. We'll wrap it up in this butcher paper and put it back in for a long time. And that's gonna have to be good enough. It's all I can do with one hand. Alright, there it is. Now it's got to go in till the internal temperature is 190, the recipe calls for, so a couple more hours. Alright, it's ready, 190. We're going to pull it out, unwrap it, and then cut it all up. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, don't drop it on the ground. Alright, can you hold this for me? Oh. Greasy mess. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, follow me over here. What do you think? Pretty good?
Yes, delicious.
Pretty well done. Should be for 190 internal temperature. Oh, it smells amazing. All right. I like a little bit of fat, but that's a bit much right there. So we'll get that cut out. All right, now I got that all cubed up. I'm gonna add some brown sugar. That looks good. And then some sauce, your favorite barbecue sauce. And just mix it up. I'll probably end up doing this by hand, just make sure it all gets covered, but yeah, it's working. And then it goes back on the smoke for another hour. It says an hour or two, but I'm not that patient. All right, there we go, back on the smoke. All right, everybody, it's time. Time's up, meat. Oh, yeah, a little smoky. Coals are starting to die down, so it's a little smokier than I like, but it's been on there long enough. There it is. Looks pretty decent. A little charred around the edges, but well, let's taste it. Not that you guys can taste it, but I'll give you my honest opinion, I suppose. That is really good. That might be too close. That is pretty tasty. You guys gotta try it. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.